Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to perform crime hotspot analysis in ArcGIS Pro. So I have a San Francisco crime data set. Each point represent one crime incident. These points only show where each crime happened. They do not show which area have the highest crime. So for example, we have 15,152 crimes across San Francisco. Even though we know the total number of crimes, we still cannot identify the most dangerous area just by looking at the points on the map. That's because the points only show crime location. They do not show how crime is distributed across different area of the city. To solve this problem, I will first divide the city into equal sizes grids using the create fishnet tool. So go to search command and write create fishnet in the data management tool and set output feature class first. Then select extend. So this will automatically fill this parameter. I am using the size 1000 meter width and height for the fishnet grids, and the my grid geometry type is polygon. Then run the file. This is the way we can create the fishnet uh, with the help of ArcGIS Pro. You can see here we have fishnet, but I will use next I will clip the fishnet using the San Francisco boundary. So only the grid inside the study area are included. For this purpose, go to analysis and search clip. Input feature is fishnet and clip feature is our boundary. Run the file. So here we have grid inside the boundary. You can see. So at this point, the fishnet is ready, but it still does not contain any crime information. So the next step is to run a special join. Special join will count how many crimes incidents fall inside each grid. For this purpose, right click on your fishnet clip file and go to join and relay and add a special join. Target feature is our fishnet and join feature is our crime dataset. Match option intersect and all is by default. Then okay. After that, you can see open attribute table, and you can see in the fishnet tool clip attribute table. Join counts attribute is added. Descending order, you can see each grid have information like 129 crimes in each district, second is 125, and so on. So after the join is complete, every grid will have crime count telling us exactly how many crimes occurred with that grid. This crime count will be used as the input for our hotspot analysis. So next is go to hotspot analysis. Okay, go to search command and write hotspot analysis. Click on this, and now I will fill in the required parameters. So here I am using input feature, our fishnet pairwise clip. Then input field is our join count, output feature, and all is by default. Here I am using 2000 distance. Why I am using 2000 here? The reason is that my fishnet size is 1000 by 1000 meter. I want the software to analyze not only each grid but also the surrounding area grids. This help measure the spatial relationship more accurately and produces more reliable statistical result. Once the result is completed, run the file. Parameter is completed. run the file. So once the analysis is complete, we get our final hotspot analysis. So you can see we have a hotspot map. There we can see in red color, blue color and white color. Red color shows, this mean these area have high crime activity and the surrounding area also have a consistently high crime. And the blue area, it means low crime activity and the neighboring area also show low crime. And the white area means neither hot spot or nor cold spots. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.